Today I'm going to share my bulletproof cocoa or bulletproof coffee recipe with you. That is how we do it on a keto diet. The same method, you can use it for your bulletproof tea. Okay, so I am going to make use of butter, sweetener, my almond milk, and my brown cocoa, that's bitter cocoa, and also my coconut oil. You can add others to it or you can subtract. Okay, so I'm going to add my hot water to my blender. We usually use blender for it. And I'm going to add my butter. You can use 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon of butter. So I'll add it to the warm water, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to it, and then I will add my sweetener also to it. But this time I'm adding my coconut oil, just a tablespoon or a teaspoon will do. Then I'm going to add the sweetener also to it. Then I will just allow the butter to melt. So the butter is supposed to melt before you start blending it. Do you get it? Okay. And so I'm also going to add my almond milk to it. You can add 1 cup of almond milk, or you can increase the quantity depending on how much or the taste you are after. Okay, so we are going to cover and then blend this together. Okay, please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like this video, share and comment, and tell me what you add to your bulletproof tea or your bulletproof coffee. Some of the things you add. Do you add whipping cream to it? Let me know. You can also do that. You can use coconut milk also for it. Okay, so I am done with the blending, and this is it. See, foamy. So I'm going to pour this, and this is for keto. That is why we add all the fats to it. If you are not on a keto diet, then you don't need the butter and the coconut oil. You don't need fat. And you can also replace coconut oil with olive oil. Yes. Okay, so this is it. You can enjoy this and with anything that you want, and you are going to love it. So follow my channel for more keto recipes and other recipes as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video. Do well to leave a comment as well, and watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.